Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurdina Iwani binti Yusri. My metric number is 08339. Today, I would like to present my project, which title is called the Smart Doorbell. So here I won't give explanation my project. This project is a smart doorbell system designed to enhance home security and convenience. When someone presses the doorbell button, a buzzer will sound to notify the homeowner inside the house. At the same time, a notification will be sent to the homeowner's smartphone using a wireless connection, so they are aware that someone is at the door even if they are not at home. This system is simple but effective and can be very useful, especially for those living alone or in large houses. This project used the Node MCU ESP8299, which is a microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi capabilities. The framework or working process is as follows. First, a button is installed near the front door. 2. When the button is pressed, it sends a signal to the Node MCU. Third, the Node MCU activates the buzzer, producing a ringing sound. Fourth, at the same time, the Node MCU sends a notification through the internet, which this can be done using an app like Blink. 5. The homeowner receives the alert on their smartphone instantly. This allows the user to know when someone is at the door, no matter where they are, as long as they are connected to the internet. These are the main components and we'll be using in this project, which is first, Node MCU ESP8299 to control the system and connect to Wi-Fi. 2. Button used as the doorbell trigger. 3. is buzzer to produce the doorbell sound. 4. is jumper wire for circuit connection. 5. is breadboard for prototype. And the last one is cable USB. As you can see, all the components have already arrived and ready to be used for the circuit and coding setup.